We're back at Saturday, February 27th, checking out some stocks, some technical analysis, maybe some buy sell levels. Remember, do your own due diligence on these stocks. I'm not a financial advisor. I make my calls. What I look at. This is my own thoughts. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell. And a lot of people get in trouble lately. You see Twitter, all kinds of SEC investigations. I'm seeing more and more lately. Yeah, even if you have a service, I would never say to someone, "Oh, buy here at 9." Yeah, definitely go buy with all your money. Now, I'm just pointing out levels. That's up to you. This is education. You know, people have to use their own brain in life. So, if you don't understand like the charts or what they need, you got to look it up. You got to learn. We're going to learn somewhere. So, just be aware of that. All right. NNDM, 45 million float, 2.39 billion market cap. Nano Dimensions provides electronics in Israel and internationally. So, this has been on a huge run. Look at this here 3, 7, 17 at double top right here. FinViz even points this out double top. Right here. There you go, right here. See, up, up, and then we came back down. Look at this big wash down now. This was 17,982. It bounced up from. Very oversold. Yeah, you can point out a line right here. It's not a true line yet, though. So this 9 line is huge. You can see this right here. If this 9, it bounces. If this doesn't hold, you could go down to 8, 7-ish. We'll see. Just go line to line. Let's go dollar. Each dollar down. You're looking at that levels. Very oversold yet. Now, if we bounce up, you could see at 12 to 13 plus maybe on the monthly crossover. See the run? This is why the stocks are having problems. They've been on such a big run, all the way 20 to 80 stochastics. They're crossing over negative, but this could come back down, touch, and then rise back up or pull back. Weekly, excuse me. You touched 11, you touched 9, it bounced. See right here, just trying to cross maybe a little bit. 4 hours still down with it, straight down. 2 hour down, down. We're just going down. So look at your levels. You're just looking at levels. You need a crossover up on this. So this is getting hammered. So be aware of that. FSL. All right, here's FSL. This is 310 million float, 4.99 billion market cap. Electric vehicle space. They do design, installs, operate fuel cell power plants. Look at this run this has been on. Big move up to 10, 8, back down. Look at the dips all the way to 28 plus. Now pull back strong from 29.44 to a low of 13.89. Now this is key. If this 14 doesn't hold on this, you could see 12, 13, 12, 10. You just don't know. No one knows. Yeah, the market's going to go where the market's going to go. You just have to, know when the move is over and you can capitalize on it. Now, that was a nice move Friday. It did hammer down, trying to come up on the monthly. Big shooting star wedge. Did cross over negative though. It's been on a run. See this here to here on stochastics. Weekly push down. Trying to bounce up. The daily. Here's the 4 hour. All these things popping up. Here's the 4 hour right here. You're trying to cross over this. See this, but it hasn't happened yet. It is coming up. Here's the 2 hour. Here's the 1 hour. So he moved down, he bounced, moved down, trying to flatten out here. Did pull up on this 15. So this is another key level. If we can bounce up here, you're going to look for 20 plus. 14 has to hold in this. It's a very big level here, 14. So that is it on FCell. You know, all the fuel cell electric vehicles are all pulling back strong with the market. BNGO, 151 million float, 1.67 billion market cap. Oh, I'm yawning. Excuse me. Jesus. Operates life science instrumentation company, genome analysis space. Look at this run. This has been on 1, 7, came back, 13. You're very far away from your 13 EMA. This has been so strong. 15 plus. Then you start to pull back. Big gap down, bouncing all over the place. You know, this 8 has to hold here. This is the wick. 8 level right here. 8 holds. You know, we can come up, then we can come back up. You know, 10 plus 11, back to 15 eventually. Trying to cross over. See that in stochastics? And let me see here. So if 8 doesn't hold, now you're looking at 7, 6, you're just going down. Just take dollar to dollar in this. Monthly, big shooting star wick. Look at this. 13, I mean not 30. Stochastics is very strong there. Hasn't crossed over yet. Weekly, try to bounce up. You have a move way up here, overbought. And we'll see if this holds or it's another move down the daily. There's the 4 hour, 2 hour. There's the 1 hour. Draw your line right here. Look at this. So, you know, if that doesn't hold, doesn't look that great here. You could get a big move Monday. These all bounce. No one knows. So, but I'll watch for that 8 level on this. If we can hold and bounce up, look for 10 plus on this on BNGO. 151 million float, higher float. Bionanos data prove essential in creating the most comprehensive, ethically diverse collection of genome variation ever completed. That was on the 25th. All right, so that's it. So on these, you know, NNDM, big move down. BNGO to FCell looks a little more promising if that can get going. So that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trade. Smash the like button. Leave comments. It's always good. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. Peace. That is it for now.